This is a new cell phone site. It's new to me. I don't know if it's the 5G technology. To me it looks like some old antennas, but I haven't noticed these ones before. And to me this, for my maybe 5-meter height, is unacceptable. They might look at the amount of traffic, the exposure time, and they may say, the engineering companies might say, okay, the person who is driving the car besides, or the pedestrians who are walking by, are not spending that much time here at that level, like me here, watching a cell phone tower, to get that much of an exposure. So the site is not unsafe. That's why they got approved. Probably they went through all sort of regulation checks and approval with the city, but it's not the first time I see this type of sites here in Surrey and Langley. So that's British Columbia. And to me, again, this is not acceptable, because once they get approved for a few sites like that, it becomes a norm. And I'm going to show you the other site. Most likely is another company, another provider. That's about 20 meters tall. That's acceptable to me. And even the design is much better. It doesn't really affect the area, the way it looks. The architectural design is better. The only thing I have to say about the radios being installed on the pole, don't look right at all. It's like making a scar to the eye. So they have a bunch of radios on the tower, and to me it's not only ugly, but it's like they tried to save money by installing it on a tower, instead of using an environmental type of box with an air conditioner like most sites use. So this one looks okay job. Lots of cables, so it's very hard to deal with stiff cables and all sort of connections. So it's a complex work. I don't blame the installers. So they seem to do a really good job, but they had to follow the engineering drawings, and the engineering company, or maybe the in-house team of the cell phone company provider, gave these guys, the installers, the direction on how to do it and what to do. Yeah, so this looks better from the safety perspective, but I recorded another video of a similar site, which was about maybe 12 to 15 meters in a parking lot of a church in Surrey. So for some reason these sites are in the same area. I am not sure if this is part of Surrey or is part of Langley in British Columbia. If it's part of Surrey, something is not right with approval of these sites. And how come I don't see such low height sites in the Vancouver area? I don't know. Yeah, so this is a large shopping center which require cell phone coverage, data coverage and all that. But why they didn't extend it one of these light poles to make it, let's say, 20 meter high, and make a nice design like a tree or some other type of design that matches the architecture and does not affect the safety. But anyway, so I thought to share, if you work in this field of wireless communications, if you are concerned, post a comment. And yeah, so cell phone coverage here is more important than the safety. See you, bye bye.